Top 5 Hidden Nature Spots in India You Must Visit. 1. Discover the serene beauty of Zero Valley, home to lush rice fields and vibrant festivals. 2. Explore the pristine landscapes of Chopta, known as the mini Switzerland of India, perfect for trekking. 3. Experience the breathtaking views of Spiti Valley, where ancient monasteries meet stunning mountain vistas. 4. Unwind in the hidden gem of Tawang, surrounded by serene lakes and rich Buddhist culture. 5. Visit the enchanting beauty of Majuli Island, the world's largest river island, teeming with biodiversity. Join us in uncovering more hidden treasures in nature.